అండ్ సాషా పేరు చెప్పగానే ఎయిర్టెలే గుర్తొస్తుంది మాకు ఫస్ట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ మీరు ఆపరేషన్ గోల్డ్ ఫిష్ కానీ ప్రభాస్ గారి సినిమాలో కానీ రాధేశ్యామ్ కానీ చేశారు. అండ్ ఇది థర్డ్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్గా రాబోతుంది. అండ్ పోస్టర్లో చూస్తే ఫుల్ రివర్స్ చేసి చూపించారు మిమ్మల్ని.
रिवर्स में तो बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. आई मीन रिवर्स इन द पोस्टर. और यही है पिक्चर में देखना कि मैं कैसे वेदर आई स्टे इन रिवर्स और डू आई बिकम स्ट्रेट. सो दैट इज द थिंग टू सी.
సిమిలర్ టు టామ్ బాయ్. మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తే టామ్ బాయ్ లానే యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తాం మేము. క్యారెక్టర్ కూడా అలాగే ఉంది.
No, because I think nature होता है सबका अलग अलग. तो I don't think I'm a very girly person. Now that I think about it. So this is a very good character, suited my personality, and a lot of girls wouldn't have done it because upside down hair.
Yes.
I did it because it's upside down. So different
typical experiment, that is.
Absolutely. Anything different I really thrive and I enjoy.
Okay.
Usual, I mean, I honestly can't do it. I try very hard. Even right now sir was telling me open your hair. So now I'm trying to keep my hair open. Guys,
when seeing that
appreciate
poster,
this open hair, please.
Yeah. When seeing that poster, you are the center of the attraction, I think so.
So
and lady power, and you show the type of journalism. So actually, it is not easy to be a female journalist.
Absolutely. एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगी, which I think I'll say in Hindi ताकि सब समझ जाए, that women are more than their looks.
Yes.
मतलब looks are important, definitely. I mean, it helps to be pretty. Lots of favors you can get. Sir is like, no, but it helps to be pretty. But it also really matters what you have in your brain. That
Yes.
really makes a difference. And also, of course, whether you can commit to a task and see it through and not bail out. And women have a difficult time
Yes.
in general.
Yeah. In every
field.
We have that difficulties, but in journalism we have faced that major things. And for this character, what are the references you are taken from in any earlier characters? So many personalities play these journalist characters actually. So did you take any references from that?
I have honestly I don't, मतलब ये जो reference का concept है, I don't really like it. फिर इसमें originality नहीं आ पाती, even though I don't know what is original anymore, nothing is. But this concept I would like to say is actually very, very original. So I would really appreciate, in fact, if people really saw their own घर की लड़की in my character. Because ये किरदार है, this is a character I'm playing. It is not, I mean, I'm not very violent. What I've been shown is very, very violent. I'm quite silent. So, so this is a very refreshing.
Actually, director shows the strength of the woman with
Absolutely.
one poster.
Absolutely. And it's all credit goes to everybody who made this film happen, bhaiya.
Okay.
So I am there as the face of it, but there's a lot of stuff happening behind the scenes to make it happen.
When compared to all these three people, you are the most senior in Tollywood.
Oh.
Yes.
Among these people.
Very true.
Yeah. And
Yes, senior star.
she is the senior, and you have idea about the Tollywood industry, I think so, because in earlier movies you already worked, no? So any particular actor or actress you are willing to do act with the people?
I personally really like Sai Pallavi also. I think she's very talented, very genuine and very nice. I really like her. Also all the rest. I think everybody in Tollywood has really set the standard for when it comes to acting and stories, and I mean, we should be proud of it as Indians. I'm very proud to be part of it. So I'm very happy. So men, when it comes to men, now sir will be like, don't make all men your brother, Sasha. So I have an inner comedian which is now coming out because I'm tired. So I am trying not to make them my brother, but they are so lovely that I want to make all of them my brother. But no, I will not do that. So who do I act with? I don't know. Who do you think I should act with?
You should act with anyone you don't tie Rakhi to. That is very, very important.
Rakhi is the special thing. Yeah.
So I don't know. I mean, everybody is talented. Everybody has their own speciality. I would
Okay.
love to work with whoever.
And you already worked with Raja Saab Prabhas. Yeah, in Radheshyam. And hospitality of the Prabhas is very excellent. Let me know what type of hospitality you have experienced from Prabhas.
It was he's very generous and a very very kind person, and I think this is real gold which is in India. You know, the quality of our people is very high. We should be proud of it. So it is. He's a very very thorough person, a very gentleman, and it was a privilege working with him because he made sure everybody was taken care of. Not that Madhav sir didn't make sure everybody is taken care of. Madhav sir is like looking at me like he's going to. No, he really. I mean, one thing is for sure that I think the kindest people in the world are in the south of India.
Okay,
Yeah,
well
so.
said.